Investigation to show how the height of centre of mass affects the stability of a tower block. For our investigation, we'll be using the following equipment: 1 oversized protractor, 1 smooth plank, and 4 regular-sized uniform blocks. For the purpose of our investigation, we'll be attaching the blocks using blue tack. You could otherwise use sellotape or interlocking blocks, for example, Lego. In our investigation, the independent variable, the thing we are changing, is the height of the centre of mass of the tower block. The dependent variable, the thing we are measuring, is the angle at which the tower block toppled, and the control variables are simply the surface area, the base of the blocks, and the smoothness of the plank. Set up the equipment as shown. Ensure the centre of the protractor is in line with the end of the plank. For our investigation, we have used a piece of blue tack to ensure our tower block doesn't slide prematurely. This would therefore affect our results and therefore render our experiment not valid. Or rather, our results not valid. To begin our experiment, we are going to place 1 block just behind the piece of blue tack and continue to lift the plank until the first block topples over. We are now going to record the angle at which it did this, which is at
47 degrees.
47 degrees. We are now going to repeat this step by adding a second block. We are going to assume for our experiment that the centre of mass is exactly half the height of one of the blocks, because our blocks are both uniform and symmetrical. The angle at which the 2 blocks toppled was at
27 degrees.
We have repeated this experiment until we have a tower of 4 blocks, and where our centre of mass will be approximately there, 2 blocks high. And the angle at which the 4-block tower toppled at was
13 degrees.
So what we have noticed is, as the height of the centre of mass of the blocks have increased, the angle for which the blocks have toppled has decreased. Therefore, the stability of the tower block has decreased as the height of the centre of mass has increased.